Hey, it's Kyle. Welcome to the channel. Today's a national holiday. You know what holiday it is? It's National Take Your Tonneau Cover Off and Put Your Flated Topper On Day. All the banks are off. It's a great day. It is the end of May. Camping season has officially started. I have gone out a couple of times without the flated on, and I have hated it because I haven't had a lot of room. We're going to take the tonneau cover off. We're going to put it to the side. We're going to back the car out. We're going to blow up the flated topper and install it on the bed here and get it all situated, tied down, and then we're going to install the new back window, which is exciting. So here we go. I am going to take the truck out front and then I'm going to wash out this bed. This bed is relatively dirty. I'm going to take all the stuff out, kind of wash this bed out because it needs it. It's very dusty. All right, all sprayed out, looking clean. All I have to do is step on the accelerator so all that crap comes out. All right, now on to the next part of getting the flated topper out of the basement into the garage and then huffing it to blow it all up. I should really get a automatic blow up machine, but you know, a blow up machine. It's what I call it. Just like an airplane, right? Or maybe it's meter maid. She's gone from suck to blow. The one thing I love about this topper is you can just carry it anywhere. So, this dog never shuts up. So this Velcro's on. It's got a window and a mesh. So window on this side, mesh on this side. From what I understand, it flips totally up. So after we get it on the truck, we're going to test that out, but yeah, looks great. Awesome, can't wait to put this on. So this window, I cleaned this window up a bit and it just Velcros on. So you just make sure that it's all on there, and then it's got this lip because this is the top. Obviously this is the part that goes on your bed. So it just kind of has this rain drip here, or cover, to make sure that no rain gets in there. And then, so those are just open windows, and they've got screens and tinted windows that I'll put on, and they basically go on the same way. So I'll do that. That one does not have a screen, it's just a window. And then you've got the back window that secures to the Velcro on the back. Yeah, we're almost done. All right, so you can still see daylight underneath that flap, but most of it, I've always had an issue over there. But typically this gutter takes care of most of it. Now, what I can do is I can push this forward a bit. And I really wish that this came over that, but that's just the way that it's designed. So over time this will lay more flat here and keep that surface more water protected. But yeah. You're still there? I've cracked the lens, but the inner lens is still good. All right, I pushed this whole thing up and got it seated a little bit better. But yeah, it looks good. I still think that these seams could be a little bit, like, thing needs to be about an inch wider. And I think it would go on a lot better. But yeah, looks good. I'm excited to use it here. So it's got, let me see if I can crack the lens again. It's got the regular window with the screen on it, which is great. So, unzip this one, unzip that, and then it raises up. And I think you can, yeah, see, it comes, yeah, it comes undone up there. You heard all the Velcro. Yeah, now there's a hole there. See where it came undone? So whenever I flip this back down, yeah, almost you had to like re-Velcro it here. All right. Well, I'm gonna call them and see what's up. But yeah, the new back window looks great. Can't wait to take it to Colorado.